morning everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity and talk about how to do a patch test correctly and things that you need to know about doing a patch test on the skin before trying anything topically. And I'm also going to take you on a short tour to one of the local botanical gardens here in Tampere. Also, let's talk about the importance of doing a patch test, because I usually talk about doing a patch test as an important preventative strategy to help determine if you have any allergies towards anything that you're applying topically. So what is a patch test? It is basically a method that is used to determine whether the particular ingredient or substance or oil causes an allergic reaction or an irritation when it comes into contact with the skin. This is commonly done before using skincare products, hair care, or cosmetic products, anything that is potentially irritating or allergenic. First step in doing a patch test is to choose your product. Select the product that you want to test. So if it's a skincare product, hair dye, or substance that will come in contact with your skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test. Then you're going to test the area. Identify a small area of your skin where you want to perform the patch test. This could be the inside of your elbow, for example, or your wrist is often a good spot. Why? Because the skin is not that sensitive. It's not like, around your mouth or eyes or nose. Avoid these areas because they're really sensitive. And also, the inside of your elbow, the inside of your wrist is a good area to observe. I'm going to go ahead and wash and dry the test area thoroughly to remove any other substance that might interfere with the test results. And you're going to apply a very small amount of the product that you're testing to the test area. So use a cotton swab or a clean fingertip to ensure that you apply this on your skin. And then you're going to leave the product or the oil on the test area for the recommended amount of time, typically for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you're going to wash it off and you are going to monitor the area for 24 to 48 hours. So during this time, you're going to monitor to check for reactions, observe the test area for any signs of irritation or allergic reactions. So you're going to look out for redness, swelling, itching, or rash. Then you're going to interpret the results. So if you experience any of the reactions that we told you about, the redness, the swelling, the itching, the rash, or any other feeling that you're not comfortable with, you're going to discontinue using the product or the oil. If there are no reactions, it's likely safe to be used and you are good to go. So what are the things that you need to keep in mind? Well, first of all, reading the labels carefully. Check the product label, whether it's an oil or a other ingredient. Check for any known allergies or irritants. For example, if you're using a product, there are things, additions such as fragrances, preservatives, or certain dyes that are potentially causing skin reactions. Also, always follow the instructions. If there's any instructions, follow them thoroughly. Make sure that, for example, it tells you to leave the area where you're testing the product on for longer than 20 minutes, maybe even for a couple of hours, depending on the instructions. Then follow them also and repeat if necessary. For example, if you have sensitive skin, if you are testing a new product line, always consider performing multiple patch tests on different areas of your skin to ensure consistency in the results. And if you're always unsure, what should you do? You should consult your dermatologist, your allergist, your healthcare professional for extra individualized guidance, and be patient. Patch testing does take time, so please be patient. Allow for the full test period before interpreting the results. Rushing to the process, that can actually lead to inaccurate conclusions as well, and sometimes even stress. For example, you might have a placebo effect where you get too overwhelmed and stressed, and you might feel some burning or some itching going on. So if you are really unsure, then make sure to do another set if it's safe to do so. Now remember, patch test is always an important step to identify potential allergens, irritants before applying the product on the larger areas of your skin. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a great way to protect yourself from unwanted reactions. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.